Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, I'm doing a 10-part series on my channel where I'm either unboxing something or showing what I've recently added to my wardrobe. And today is actually the final video. So I went and got a cute item from Chanel. So if you guys remember, I actually had a certain item from Chanel on my wish list for a long time, and I actually mentioned it in one of my prior videos of like the 5 bags I regret not purchasing or 5 bags I missed. And one of those items is actually this item right here. So this is from the 24S collection. It is, I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is. If you're familiar with Chanel, you're familiar with the actual bags, dust bags. You already know what this is. It is a denim medium classic flap. I'm super excited that I finally was able to get this bag. I've had this on my wish list or on my agenda to buy for the last 2 years. But every time they've ever come out with a denim classic flap, it's always had some type of pattern or texture or glitter to it. It was never just a standard denim medium classic flap. So as you can see here, standard classic flap, quilted, white stitching, gold hardware. Got the protective layer, double flap, the zipper, inside the bag, the Chanel logo, the CC logo. Let's see, the front, the side, the back, cute little Mona Lisa back pocket, side, and this is from the actual 24S collection. So here's the tag in case you guys want to try to locate it. Yeah, super cute bag. Honestly and truly, it's probably going to be my last Chanel classic flap for a while. The price of Chanel classic flaps are so expensive now. I think the only other item that I was really kind of looking for to get is a red classic flap. But I'm looking for like a ruby red caviar medium classic flap with gold hardware. And so that's been really hard to find. A lot of times Chanel will come out with a red bag, but it'll be like a raspberry, it'll have like a pink undertone to it, or it'll have like a purple or orange undertone to it. I'm really looking for like a ruby red like undertone classic flap. So if I happen to find a ruby red classic flap in caviar with gold hardware in a size medium, then I might come back on camera and show you guys that. But until then, I won't be buying any more classic medium flat bags. So this is my final item. This is the last item I'll be unboxing and adding to my wardrobe. And I'm happy I was able to end this video with a bang with my favorite item that I've recently purchased. My long awaited item that I've been trying to get for the longest time, a classic medium denim flat bag from Chanel. So I'm looking forward to wearing this all summer long and even in the winter time. Stay tuned if you want to see me style this. As always, you can follow me on my TikTok at Do It Always With Style, or my Instagram at Do It Always With Style. Do It Always With Style. And so I'll see you guys next video. And as always, do it always with style. Bye guys.